you like our videos. I hope you do. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you can also leave a comment. We will respond. Thank you. Hi, we are the Brazil twins. I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Sheila.
Today we are going to do a series of meals for you. We're in the last week of our challenge, and everyone's saying, well, what do we eat? What do we eat? So now we're going to tell you some good options for you to eat this last week of our challenge.
And one of the things that even if you are only able to change just a few things starting out, that's great. So start small, but then continue to expand upon it. So one of the first things that we made were overnight oats. And we actually talked about it, and someone asked, well, what exactly are overnight oats? So we're going to show you how to cook it, how to make them.
Right, so and you can actually buy this in the store, but if you buy it in the store, you don't know what's in it. Today, we know exactly what's in our overnight oats. And you save money if you do it yourself.
So it's always best to cook at home. I start out with rolled oats. And this is like a 6-ounce mason jar. And as I put the oats in there, Cheryl, she can start. You want to add some fruit, whatever type of fruit you want. Some kids don't like bananas. Well, we're going to do some bananas, some strawberries, and blueberries. I like blueberries.
I don't like blueberries.
And you can put it in as much as you want. And if you want a larger mason jar, because this is not enough, don't eat. You can get a larger mason jar. You just pack this with fruit. Go ahead, Cheryl.
And some chia seeds. Chia seeds have a lot of protein in it.
Protein and fiber. I like to add a little agave just to add for some additional sweetness. Just a little bit is all you need. And if you need more after the fact, you can do that.
And then top it off with almond milk, soy milk, cashew milk. No cow's milk. Got enough, Sheila?
I normally fill mine to the top. And this typically lasts in the refrigerator for about a week. I generally do maybe about 5 or 6. The kids, the family may eat them periodically, but at least it gets you to the end of the week.
Yeah, my kids take them for lunch, so it's a good lunch option for the kids.
Shake, Sharon. And voila, that's it.
Put it in the refrigerator, grab it in the morning.